Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll answer the 5 most common questions regularly asked by new Gmail users. Let's get straight into it. I'm logged into Google and in my Gmail inbox. Even if you're familiar with using email, Gmail is a bit different from other email tools like Outlook, AOL, or Yahoo. Let's go through some of the more common areas of confusion for new users in Gmail. We'll start with the first question many new Gmail users ask. How do I write an email? To start, you need to open a blank email window into which you can write your email. You can do this by clicking on the large Compose button in the top left of Gmail. A small blank email window opens by default in the corner of Gmail. You can make this bigger by moving your mouse to the email and clicking on the small grey arrow in the top right of the email window. The email window now fills the full screen. To send an email, you need to do 3 things. Firstly, you need to put in the email address of the person you want to send the email to. Next, you need to give your email a title, so the person who receives it knows what it's about. And then lastly, you need to write your email. If you want to find out more about writing emails in Gmail, check out the Woggle Guide shown above that explains more about this. To send that email off, all we need to do is click on the large blue send button. The next question we'll look to answer is, how do I find an email in Gmail? This can be confusing for new Gmail users, but once you know some simple tricks, it's easy to do. Your best friend when looking for an email is the search bar at the top of the Gmail inbox. If I click into that, I can do a simple search just by searching for a word or phrase. If you have lots of emails, however, this might not help to narrow down your search. If you want to try a better email search, click on the search options icon on the right of the search bar. This opens a search box with lots of preset search options, such as the name of the person who sent an email, the title, and even the date when it was sent. If you use some of these in combination, you can normally target an email pretty well. Check out the Woggle Guide shown above if you want to find out even more about how to search in Gmail. Let's now move on to a question that stumped me when I first used Gmail. How do I add a new folder? Lots of email tools like Outlook and Yahoo use folders to store emails. You won't see the word folder used in Gmail, however. Gmail actually uses labels in place of folders to store emails. This is because, whilst you can only add one email to one folder, you can store the same email in lots of different labels, so it's more flexible than folders. So when using Gmail, when you see labels, think folders. To add a new folder in Gmail, all I need to do is scroll to the bottom of the list of folders on the left-hand side of Gmail, and you'll see there a link called Create New Label. Remember, labels work like folders in Gmail. If I click on that, a box opens that asks me to give my label a name. If I do that and click on the large blue Create button, you'll see that the folder is added to the left-hand column in Gmail. Check out the Woggle Guide shown above if you want to find out more about folders in Gmail and even how to add subfolders. The next question I'll answer is how to unsubscribe from spam in Gmail. If I look at my inbox, you'll see I have lots of emails and promotions from companies that I don't really want. Gmail has a feature that helps you to quickly unsubscribe from any emails you don't want to receive in the future. If I click into one of these emails, at the top of the page, next to the sender's name, is an unsubscribe link. I'll click on that, and you'll see a box opens that asks if I want to stop receiving emails from this person in future. To confirm that I want any spam emails to stop, I just need to click on the large blue unsubscribe button. Gmail confirms that you've now been unsubscribed from these emails. If you want to find out more about unsubscribing in Gmail, check out the Woggle Guide shown above. The last question we look at today is, how do you log out of Gmail? This can be really important if you use Gmail on a computer that other people have access to. If you don't log out of Gmail, then other people may still be able to read your emails. Logging out is quick to do once you know how, but can be a little hard to find. To log out in Gmail, all you need to do is move your mouse pointer to your profile picture shown in the top right of the Gmail inbox. If I move my mouse over that, you'll see it's called Google Account. Let's click on that once to open it. This box has a number of options to manage your Google account, but the one we're interested in is the Sign Out button. I'll click on that once, and Gmail confirms that it is now logged out. Check out the Woggle Guide above for a more detailed explanation of logging out on Gmail. I hope you found this Woggle Guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like or subscribe for free so that you can find out when new guides are available. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.